Question 223 says a certain town started in 1970 with 500 people. If the town has 73,200 people in 2014, what is the average rate of increase per year if the population increases exponentially? So if the population increases exponentially is kind of a key to tell us what we're supposed to use. So this is an exponential growth type of problem. And we deal with these type of problems when we look at compound interest. Compound interest is something that grows exponentially. So here we can use the formula A is equals to P. Remember, it's not only used for finances, but anything that can be quantified as having an exponential growth, you can apply this formula on. So what we are looking for is the average rate, so I. What I tend to do is I tend to solve for I before substituting, as this makes it a bit easier, especially when working with a calculator. But even so, more so now since you don't have a calculator. So we're going to have A over P is equal to 1 plus I to the power of n. Then we're going to take the nth root since we don't know what n is. That leaves us with the nth root of A over P is equal to 1 plus I. Then I can easily take the 1 to the other side, make it minus 1 is equals to I. Then already I can see it's starting to resemble the format of some of the answers here. So the interest will then be, what is n? You should look at the period from 1970 to 2014. So if you say 2014 minus 1970, you'll find that the answer is 44. So if n is equals to 44, we can substitute that in. So we say 44. A, which is the final amount, is 73,200. 73,200 over the initial population, which is 500, minus 1. Then, of course, the 0 and the 0, and this 0 and that 0 cancel, leaving us with 44, the 44th root of 732 over 5 minus 1. And we can see here the 44th root of 732 over 5 minus 1. Our answer is C.